If you own a business, there's a lot you need to know to file taxes and minimize what you owe. In this video, I will help you file your business taxes and give you tax hacks that will help you lower your taxes and keep cash in your pocket. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any business-changing information. And check it out. If you stay until the end, I will tell you exactly what you need to know to make sure you get all your business tax deductions. So let's get after it. Take advantage of tax credits. Tax credits are a valuable tool for businesses to reduce their tax liability. These credits can be used to offset taxes owed on companies' income. And some examples include research and development tax credit, the work opportunity tax credit. Businesses can work with tax professionals to identify available credits and take advantage of them. Maximize deductions. Deductions are another way business can really reduce their tax bill. Deductions reduce the amount of taxable income, which ultimately lowers your taxes. Business owners can take advantage of such things as business travel, office supplies, equipment, anything that you're doing to help you manage your business, to help you get to profit is going to be tax deductible. But here's the thing, it's important to keep accurate records and make sure that you understand how to legitimize your tax expenses. Utilize retirement accounts. Retirement accounts are such things as 401ks and IRAs. And you may be thinking to yourself, hey, Carla, I'm not even thinking about retirement. But at some point, you may decide just to kick back and have the ability never to work again.
That's more like it. Let's go.
That's the benefit of having a retirement account. And they offer businesses tax advantage ways to save for retirement while literally reducing your tax bills.
Hot damn, we're gonna make it.
Contributions made to these plans are tax deductible and the funds grow tax-free until withdrawn. And if you jump into a Roth IRA or some type of Roth plan, that will not be tax deductible, but it will grow tax-free. And when you pull the money out, it is also going to be tax-free. So consider setting up a SEP IRA, whichever offers you the largest tax benefit. Entity structure. The structure of your business can play a huge role in your tax liability. For example, a sole proprietor is taxed differently than a corporation, and business owners should really work with tax professionals to make sure you are using the most tax efficient business structure for your unique business. It's not one size fits all, which a lot of you may be thinking. There's a lot of considerations, and taxes are a big part of that. That's why it is so important to have the right entity structure to lower your taxes. Take advantage of carryovers and unused tax credits and deductions that may have carried from one year to the next. Many times as business owners, we may have tax credits, we may have deductions that we didn't take in the prior year. You want to make sure that you're going to take these deductions in the current year. This means that businesses can use these tax credits and deductions in future years to lower their tax bill. Literally, by planning ahead, businesses can ensure that they maximize their tax savings. You can literally buy yourself tax savings for years to come. So you always want to be thinking strategically. It's so important. Reducing a business tax liability literally requires careful planning and attention to detail.
All the details.
But by utilizing tax credits, tax deductions, retirement plans, optimizing your entity structure, taking advantage of your carryovers, your losses, and various things like that, will reduce your tax bill while you are literally staying in compliance with IRS, because we never want you to get into a tax slinky, and we only want you to use those tax strategies that are legal and appropriate for your particular business. And here's the thing, my friends, I told you that if you stayed to the end, that I would make sure that you knew exactly what you need to do in order to keep your tax liability as low as possible. I want you to think about being a business owner at all times. Many things that we utilize, we use for both business and personal, but for some reason, we don't get it onto our tax return. You always have to wear your tax hat, keep it on, and think about anything you're spending, anytime you're utilizing anything. How can this be a business tax deduction? And now that you know better, you absolutely have to do better. That is why I want you to like, I want you to comment, and I want you to subscribe so I can keep you updated on all things tax. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I also want to introduce you to a program that I have called Tax Pro Grow. Why? Because you may be looking for a side hustle, you may be looking for a business to run, you may be looking for some extra cash, or you just might be concerned about this whole recession thing, or somebody giving you a pink slip. Well, Tax Pro Grow could potentially be your answer, because it's a business that you can do where no one is in charge but you. And here's the great thing about Tax Pro Grow. You don't need to have a tax license. You don't need to have tax knowledge. You don't need to have a degree. You don't need anything but a willingness to learn. And I break down all the steps through my system and process. I literally take my 25 years of experience, all the mistakes I made, all the lessons I've learned, and I packaged it up in a system and process that is foolproof, that you will be able to utilize and start making money. I literally guarantee it. I am going to invite you to join me on this journey of Tax Pro Grow, because I want you to start making an endless amount of money, and I want you to be in control of your destiny. If you are interested in starting now, I want you to click on the link. And when you do, you're going to learn everything that you need to know. You're going to learn how to offer the service. You're going to learn how to sell a client. You're going to learn how to do marketing. And here's the other great thing. You will even get leads, because we offer that too. People that are willing to pay you for the service that you're going to easily be able to offer, because the value is going to be there. So if you need some extra cash, you want to make an endless amount of money, or you just thinking, maybe you just want to do something different, click on that link and join me for the Tax Pro Grow program. I guarantee you, you'll be thanking me for doing so.